Now there are two matrix A, which is a 3 by 3 matrix, minus 5 1 3, 7 1 minus 5, 1 minus 1 1, and B 1 1 2, 3 2 1, and 2 1 3. Now question says that find the product of A and B. Hence solve the equations. X plus y plus 2z is equal to 1, 3x plus 2y plus z is equal to 7, and 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 2. Now we have to solve these equations. This question has two parts. First we have to find the product A and B, and then to solve the equations. So first find A and B. So when you multiply these two, you get minus 1 into 1, that is minus 5, plus 1 into 3, 3, plus 6, first row, first column, then first row, second column, minus 5 plus 2 plus 3, and then first row in second column, which is minus 5, minus 10, plus 1, plus 9. Now there are no more columns, so we go to next row. Second row, first column is 7 plus 3 minus 10. Then we have 7 plus 2 minus 5. And second row with third column 14 plus 1 minus 15. Now we come to the third row, which is 1 minus 1, 1. When you multiply this with the second matrix, columns of second matrix, it is 1 minus 3 plus 2, 1 minus 2 plus 1, and 2 minus 1 plus 3, which gives you AB is equal to, this is 9 minus 4, which is 4, then 0, and then 0. Here it is again 0, 9 minus again 4, 0. And then you have 0, 0 and 4. So when you take out 4 common, it is 4, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, which gives you AB is equal to 4I. This is our equation number 1, and this is the first part of the question where it is required to multiply A and B. Now we come to the second part of the question to solve the given equations. Converting these equations into matrix format. So we create a matrix of the coefficients of x, y and z, which is 1, 1 and 2, 3, 2 and 1, 2, 1, 3. Then next column matrix, x, y, z is equal to 1, 7, 2. Now we compare this matrix with the given matrices. And if you see, this matrix is same as of matrix B. So we replace this matrix by B. So it is B x, y, z is equal to 1, 7, 2, So when we shift this b to the right hand side, that gives you x, y, z is equal to b inverse 172. And this is our equation number 2. Now to solve or to find the values of x, y and z, we need b inverse. Now in this question, this b inverse we obtain with the help of this first equation, AB is equal to 4i, not with the standard method of cofactors and determinant. As we have this equation with us. So if we consider again, so we write considering equation number 1. Considering equation 1, we again write AB is equal to 4i. Now, we need B inverse, so we multiply both sides by B inverse. A, B, B inverse. As we have multiplied B inverse to the right of the B, so we multiply right side, we multiply I with B inverse, keeping B inverse to the right of the I. B into B inverse is I, so it is AI is equal to 4. When you multiply identity matrix with any other matrix, matrix remains unchanged. So it is B inverse only. Therefore, B inverse is equal to 1 upon 4, A into I is again A. So B inverse is nothing, can be obtained by just dividing the matrix A, which is given in the question, by 4. So this is our B inverse. Now after finding this B inverse, we go back to our equation number 2. And we write, if I remove these equations, from equation number 2, x, y, z is equal to B inverse, where we write 1 upon 4 and matrix A, which is already given in the question. Minus 5, 1, 3, 7, 1, minus 5, 1, minus 1, 1, multiplied by 1, 7, 2. So now I can remove this. Multiply. So when we multiply first row with the first column, this is minus 5 plus 7 plus 6. Second row, first column, 7 plus 7 minus 10. And finally, third row with the column. So it is 1 minus 7 plus 2. So this gives you x, y, z is equal to 1 upon 4. This is 13 minus 5, 8. 14 minus 10, 4. And minus 7 plus 3 is minus 4. And when you divide each element by 4, so you get x, y, z is equal to 2, 1, minus 1. Now, by the concept of equality of two matrices, we can write x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 and z is equal to minus 1, which is our required solution. Okay, clear?